Ito na nga guys, so sa ating unang balita na si Vice Ganda nga as on our viral content din talaga. She opened her new club na din talagang pangmalakasan to point na sabing Vice Comedy Club. Na-cover po natin siya ng isang araw. And ang masasabi lang natin dyan is congratulations kay Mama Vice, 'di ba? Sobrang ganda ng club, yung soft opening nila. Sobrang ganda, very yung architecture is very pretty. And then lahat ng komedyante din talaga pangmalakasan oy nandoon. Kaya naman medyo yung mga netizens natin hindi din talaga comodicity nako-compare sa Rampa Club, no? So according to Pep PH, sabi nila dito, um, in-interview nila si RS Francisco, yung may-ari ng Rampa Club. Eh, I think napanood ko yung Rampa Club doon sa Rated Corina. It's a beautiful club. And then Vice Ganda, I've seen her stories then. Sometimes she goes over there as well. So sabi ng may-ari um, ng Rampa Club, nababasa dito, Vice is the biggest LGBT icon in the Philippines today. Hindi lang siya Reyna, she is the biggest for uplifting, for giving LGBT image and giving LGBT persona. Ayun nasabi ni RS Francisco. Diba nga, ang galing kasi dalawang club owners on the LGBT community approved ng Z Takeover yan, oy, napakagaling, iba. Pero yung mga netizens kasi, nung nagbabasa ako nito, i-share ko lang din, medyo, hindi natin maiwasan i-compare silang dalawa, no? So, doon sa nabasa kong mga comment, medyo hindi sila magaganda. And, again, Z Upplay, nagpo-podcast lang tayo dito, guys, na we're sharing our own opinions. So, babasahin ko muna yung mga nasabi ng mga netizens dito. And then, spoiler alert, yung mga homophobic dyan nandiyan din talaga. Grabe naman kayo mag-comment, no? So, again, we'll read what the netizens said and we're gonna give our opinion about it. Sabi dito, biggest icon na mamaki on national TV. Really, what did he do? I don't see any of it. True icon yung hindi nang bubuli. Biggest icon, sapat na ba yon para di na siya magpakumbaba kahit alam niyang may mali siya, okay lang na di nagsusorry dahil siya ay si Vice gana ganon. Vice has not improved the image of LGBT plus community. He never represented any of the people I know who are part of the community. Maybe he has represented the loud, the toxic, and the attention-seeking bunch. Kapag sinabing Reyna babae yon, ang lalaki ay hari. Just saying to those hater out there, nagpapakasanto thinking they always right, keeping it up po because at the end of the day, kayo pa rin ang nagiging may topak sa topic na ito. Stop addressing religious belief and nonsense about the community. Simple lang naman kung ayaw nyo sa community, why not leave it alone? And seeing na mas kayo pa yung nagiging toxic at naghahanap ng gulo kaysa sa mga taong wala namang ginagawa sa inyo. Most of them, they even tried ignoring these stupid people who have close-minded characters. 'Di ba? So, ayun yung mga konting comment doon sa Pep PH comment section, no. Ako naman is that for context, ang layo-layo naman ng mga pinagko-comment ng mga netizens do'n sa post, 'di ba? Parang may masabi na lang na may ma-comment, "Oy, mga baklang twa." Grabe naman kayo doon. Oy, sa akin, Vice Ganda had a big impact in my life. I think, I can consider her as one of the Philippine LGBT icon for some reasons. Letter A, 'di ba before Vice Ganda, marami din namang ibang comedians din talaga in the Philippines kagaya ng sila Roderick Paulate, yung mga sila is the late Dolphy din, naggagawa siya ng mga gay skit before. And then, that's just proving na parang on those era, parang it's okay to be gay, right? It's okay to be gay, but it's a funny gay. Comes to Vice Ganda era, um, syempre because of Dolphy's skit, because of Roderick Paulate, nagawan siya ng paraan din to, para ma-penetrate na LGBT do exist. Gay comedian can be gay comedian, you know? And I think her having the presence talaga na parang nandyan siya for the LGBT. Hindi naman sa lahat kasi 'di ba, obviously Vice Ganda is a worker. She works. So nasa comedy bar siya, may sarili siyang niche insult comic skits na ginagawa. Hindi siya yung parang panglahat, right? And alam naman ni Meme Vice 'yon, no? Ako, I love her. I understand her humor and it's so, so good. It makes me laugh. Alam ng mga friends and family ko yan. I enjoy Vice Ganda since the beginning of time. Umiyak pa ako kasama yung sa Showtime. Tapos yung sa tawag dito, yung kay Jessica Soho issue. Ang dami. Like, although nagkamali siya, I mean, we're all human being, 'di ba? Pero I think where I'm going with this is that like, for the netizens out there, kapag magko-comment naman, eh, ilagay naman natin dun sa parang with the topic, hindi rin masabi lang, "Oy." Opo. And then we don't make battle to the netizens na mga negative. Pero yun yung nabasa ko kanina. Okay, some points are valid. Siguro some people are saying on the inside, in the circle of LGBT, don't feel it. However, I think hindi naman sinabing, oy, gantong topic lang yung pa natin pag-usapan and then that's what Vice Ganda will approach. I don't think so. I think it's more on in general, diba? Having a smart, educated, funny entrepreneur sharing her platform with the other small creators, I think those are big impact na din talaga. Kasi ginagamit niya yung platform niya, di ba? Yung platform niya to help small creators have the voice. I remember Unkabogable, every year, pinagsasama-sama niya yung mga malalaking content creator, vloggers, on her own money, right? Just to showcase na parang, hey, I'm here, I'm with you, I'll do everything para talagang ma maayos kayo, 'di ba? Yung iba siguro hindi makarelate kasi siguro they saw it in a surface level, but I do understand. Hindi para sa lahat ang Vice Ganda. I think for me, again, it's my own personal opinion. It's like she is an icon for me kasi parang feeling ko ang hirap mag-come out as gay, especially before, kung wala kang makitang hero na example. 'Di ba? Yung parang ano ba yung mangyayari sa buhay, 'di ba ganun yung topic before talaga as a parents din, yung parang, okay, kung magbabakla ka, ano mangyayari sa buhay mo, 'di ba? But now we can say, oh, Vice Ganda, that nga si Vice Ganda, like, she is an entrepreneur, ang laki ng bahay, good career, business. Alam mo yun, there's something to look forward na parang, I can be like this because Vice Ganda can do this kind of stuff too. It's okay to be gay kahit na hindi ka na mag-explain kasi you know somebody over there is successful and you can follow that route din talaga. And then to the owner ng ano, yung Rampa, super sweet. I think I've seen one of his interview with Rated Corina nung ginawa nila ng transformation at sino bang si Otlum. Yeah, and then he sounds very smart, educated din talaga si RS Francisco. So shoutout kay RS Francisco din talaga. Mabuhay po kayo diyan. Ayun talaga guys. Wag na tayong mag-hate ha. Agay, agay, agay. Okay, hello ka.
Z Upload. The Chat Show hosted by Z Takeover. See ya.